XL2 vacuum cleaner. The good vacuum. This is a really good vacuum. And we got this for $15, and it's time to be on test. So one thing I immediately noticed is it's got 3 modes. So you have off, you have floor mode, and you have carpet mode. So that's really cool about that. It has quite a long cord, and the model number on this is U40900H2BPDC. That's the model number of this machine. And we're going to be putting it to a test. So let me put down some dirt and we will be ready to go. We are ready to start vacuuming. So let's vacuum the dirt up. And these are lightweight machines, so are really easy machines to lift if your bags aren't full of dirt. So now it's time to plug this in. Hang on a minute. Don't want to go downstairs and get the circuit. That's all. Yes, it is. Alright, everyone. I'm kind of scared and I'm kind of happy at the same time. I'm scared this thing's not going to have a bill or something. Okay, now that feels comfortable. This is the first mode. Well, I meant to say this is the first mode. Here's the line. It went right through that line. Now, let's go on this one. Well, let's go down here with full power. Three, two, one. So let's compare the two lines. This is the first line. This is the second line. I can definitely see that the carpet is more deeper, or more higher. This one's a little more lower. But I'm going to vacuum all this side up with 1, and then I'm going to vacuum all this side up with 2. So here we go. Mode 2. So that did a good job. So if you ever wonder how to get your bag out, this is the first step. So take your zipper and pull it up. Then should be an original Oreck bag in this. I don't know why there's not. I don't know why there's a Febreze bag in this machine. Ooh, that's really dusty. This might need a little cleaning. When we got this vacuum, it was at a Goodwill. We didn't expect it to be this messy. I don't even know what happened to this. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.